Nancy's house, and she had a question about those little pesky flies. They look like gnats. They're flying around, and where do they come from? A lot of people call them fruit flies, but I say they're drain flies, and they're coming from the sewer. And city of Detroit is a cultural mecca here, and even down in Hamtramck, they call it Little Europe. There's a lot of people here, and they're needing big sewers here to keep track of all that waste. And it's a perfect breeding ground for these drain flies. We have talked about drains down in the basement and how they can cause trouble, but let me show you another area where it could be a problem. Under the sink here, she's got some rotted pipes where they're old, the old steel type, and you can see I've got a hole right in the top of here. Now this is a trap, and that holds water. That keeps the drain flies and the odor from coming up through the drain, because this is always filled with water. A lot of people think it's just there to trap rings and jewelry and things like that, but that's to keep the odor and the drain flies from coming into your house. As you can see, this little hole I got right here is on the back side of this drain, and it goes right into the open sewer, and those flies can be coming right out of here. What you need to do is replace that trap. Now, and I like the new PVC, the plastic, again, because it's not prone to rot out like this. So if you keep an eye on those, I think you're going to really cut down and kill those breeding grounds for those no-see-ums or those little drain flies, because they can be kind of embarrassing when you know where they're coming from. For the News Beat Saturday, I appreciate your cards and letters and email. I'm Dale Cranston.
You can also write to Dale here at the WDIV studios. The address is seen right now on your screen. It's 550 West Lafayette.